Ranger to the units on the roof, you can use the vents that are sticking up. He's just in line with those right underneath.
Good copy.
May have put a gun down. He's doing something on the ground now.
Well,
we're going down.
Hey, Rangers down 688. We need immediate medical assistance to the north of Mark Lane between the tracks.
42, heading that way. That's copy.
Hey, if there are any units that can break from this, we need you to break now.
Sir, you're not running into Rangers.
Falcon 9, SWAT team 998.
Copy 998.
Gonzalez on the Bearcat, do you want us to relocate the Ranger?
Yes, please, one of you.
So heading over to Ranger.
806, you're going to need a full recall of all available units.
Falcon 9, it looks like the Ranger is down on the north side of the tracks, almost directly north of our location, on the other side of Mark Lane.
Is the scene code 4 at the SWAT incident?
We have some compliance, staff. We're working on it.
Then flames at Ranger.
Gardner, myself, and Elevator going towards Ranger 1. Emmanuel, we need one ambo for our scene. We have a suspect that is shot. We need one ambo for our scene. Everyone else to Ranger.
Dispatch copy.
Started a fire. Notify all EMS fire. They're going to need a bunch of other buses.
Dispatch copy.
Notify the NSF, shut the railroad down.